gorgeous friend Shanika.
Hi, sweet.
And today we are going to be playing Would You Rather. So Mikal has a bunch of questions, scenarios that she's going to ask us which one we would prefer. Which is the lesser of the two evils of the scenarios that she's going to give us. And we have to pick an answer. She made us know that we had to pick an answer. So right now, me take the scenario, they're going to be real crab, real grimy.
I don't think I'm going to like them.
I don't think so neither. I like me, I rather did instead of juice.
I feel like me gonna say well.
I got us, how I feel. So,
terrible question.
but not lie. So let's begin.
So the first question is, would you rather be beautiful and stupid or unattractive and a genius?
I'm gonna go with unattractive and a genius because I can use my head, make one heap of money, and then pay for cute. buy it at shop. Can go one nice plastic surgeon and give them one nice face for me think cute. And them can just make me overnight though.
I agree what she's saying.
Tactical.
Strategy. At first, that's what I thought.
You could have used the pretty looks get money.
Which is true, but I mean, what if Carly or somebody cry up your face, then you're gonna be ugly and stupid.
And dongs. And you're more likely for them things to happen because you're dongs.
Exactly. So, I'm gonna go with your strategy. Yeah.
See there? Pretty dogs. My mother always tell me something enough to be a pretty dog. So it work out.
Would you rather buy all used underwear or use toothbrushes?
Use toothbrushes.
You know, I'm gonna go with use underwear because I can always wear a panty liner. I can't use a toothbrush.
No.
You can't use somebody else's toothbrush.
Underwear though?
Use underwear. I can't wash it. That does it mean that somebody wear it and I have to wear it after somebody wear it?
No,
or somebody wear it already and I can't wash it?
No.
I think you mean wash it.
You know you can't wash it, then you wash
just
it.
means somebody
I'll wear
else
panty
will wear it.
liner. And what kind
Use toothbrush and use hot water, bleach, Lysol, Clorox, all them things, and then use it with me now.
You know how much germs in a somebody more?
You know how much germs somebody crutches? No, it's a no for me on the use underwear.
The mouth somebody on the mind.
No.
Me take the drawers. Me wear panty liner if you're some alive.
Would you rather be at war for a year or a year in prison?
War!
War.
I'm more likely for survive prison.
War, no.
I'm cute. Somebody will like me there.
No, at least I want me have gun. A prison where me have.
Everybody have gun at the war to do.
Yeah, but at least me have one.
Hello? Me a got prison and me a find the Dan at prison. Me a business.
But a
Man prison, woman prison, any prison. Me a find the Dan at the prison. Me a say, babe, see me here.
I feel like we can fight way through war. All in my dead.
Suppose I just jump on all here vampire.
Even all in my dead, you know?
Yeah, fight.
Yeah.
To die fighting.
Send me to prison.
Me not go.
I'll take prison for 1,000 Alex.
Me not go work.
Me a got prison. You know why?
Me not go.
You know why? Somebody must like me at the prison.
No.
Take care of me.
Me don't want nobody. Me want to take care of myself. That's why we go fight.
You have to be strategic.
Yeah, but you be strategic. You know what?
Girl, when you come back from war, you're traumatized.
So you're not gonna traumatize your prison?
No. Oh, I just my woman are gonna love me.
Oh.
Alright?
No, me
Would
no
you
war.
rather have people spread a terrible lie about you or have people spread terrible truth tales about you?
Truth tales?
Yes, they terribly. No, it's
Tell the lie. Tell the lie. So when you know what? You want bad business that. You want bad business that.
Tell a lie.
Tell the lie.
Tell the lie.
And when people come to me, me like say, yeah, you're a liar, dirty girl, but you're gonna talk me real business on the road. No.
But only people can tell the truth. Or people actually know you're your friend.
That means I have a wicked, dirty friend.
Yeah.
No, man, tell the lie.
So tell the lie.
Tell the lie.
Tell the lie.
Make your conscience right there at the time. Yeah, me got my bed free.
Would you rather walking on your parents or have them walking on you?
Walking on your parents.
What? Walking for me. I don't want, you know a lie?
No.
I like see that.
No.
What?
That's like a visual, you know. So you know, if them a go on with things that them boring, you know.
First of all, if I walk in on them, immediately I'm gonna close my eyes or lock the door or something. So I'm not necessarily have to sit while I go on.
You know what they mean.
So it's probably not gonna be that bad, like scare me, but I can afford for them to walk in.
You know,
on me.
me go walking from my parents for true because I've experienced the other way and it's traumatizing. Like,
How you face that? Make them face me.
I don't know, you know, like when you watch show and the people them freeze. Like you just you go, there's no way, you know.
Like, there's
like
nothing
my
that
mother
you
deal
can
with that
do.
trauma there. Well, my
Yeah.
daughter just saw that. But you know, me don't see them. Me
I
walking
agree. I completely agree.
You know what I see me, man.
Would you rather have a third nipple or an extra toe?
Extra
So-
two, I'm not gonna make you drop.
No.
Which part of the third nipple there? It can't hide.
True.
You know, like how some people
Like
have third
right
nipple like
so?
under your so.
Like
Nobody not see that.
like
Watch out that.
2 for 1.
No, when I go and get pedicure, them gonna charge me more because me have an extra toe. It cannot work.
But probably the man don't like it because he have an extra nipple for some.
Yeah, understand. But suppose you want to suck the toe too.
In that case, you probably don't need an extra nipple and an extra
But not lie, I'm impartial. Anyone, as long me we choose a nipple.
But
as-
how you choose shoes? Or you wear shoes if you
Like nipple. You can imagine how shoes supposed to squeeze up your foot.
True. Yeah, the nipple.
Nipple.
You probably can't cut it off. Yeah.
But you can cut off the toe. Me take the nipple.
No, you know what I mean? I take the toe. You know why? I don't know why. I'm gonna take the toe. I just don't feel like say.
Me take the third nipple.
No, the logic behind the third nipple was that the man could have sucked it and have 3 nipples, but I don't feel like I don't like 3 nipples.
It depends on where the third nipple is.
No.
So you know me not like wear brazier. When my titty I print out a shirt I use it 2 yes or 1 yes or all that no. But if it under my breast put up then babes that can't hide now one brazier in one shirt.
I'm not gonna like the 3 nipples thing.
Yes, at the nipple.
No, so the
I'm
two
gonna pierce 3 of them.
Would you rather win 50 million for yourself or your best friend win 100 million?
When me I get the money or get the money, you gonna tell me say that's the option or
That's your option.
Because right off the bat, if me get 100, I'll probably only get 50. So that's still more than 15.
No.
And if me get 100,
Why should I gear off? She don't know why you are gear. It's
Oh,
just
she
know
don't
she win.
Oh.
So you are choose the
It
winning.
depends upon the friend. If I like Shanika would have give me a
Yeah,
smile.
definitely.
You know, but if I just like one regular friend, you know, we're not close like that. She go eat her 100 million, she go eat her food, and she go do a buy me 1 meal. I'm not hungry so. You understand? I'm not hungry so.
If we get 100 million, everybody eat. Everybody.
But I know you will get the 100 million.
But are you a give me? Oh, but I mean if you had 10,
So that you are gonna take the 15.
Is it that you will take 15 or she will get 100?
she don't know, say me I get 100.
Yeah, she just go get it just
I don't know, she don't know where that come
because
from.
me as a friend, you know, if me you just win 100 million, me not tell you, you know.
That
Me not tell you no. Me gonna give to you something nice.
me not tell
Me
you
gonna
all
deposit
get.
something. Me not gonna tell you say because me get 100,000 and when me get the 1 million, you gonna feel like say she mean it.
Like, even like,
She could give me more out of the 100. Me not gonna tell you no.
that's why me have to know.
Me have to know which friend.
Right.
She have to know the circumstances under which she get 100 million.
Yeah, because if me I get 100 million, then I mean I get her, so
And
she
it
knows
depends.
that.
My friend need it. Like she need the money more than me need the 15 million. Come could I still get her small so out of my 15, you know.
All me look at it is between 15 million and give my friend 100 million. If my friend knows that me I get 100 million, then when I have to ask her if me I get 100 million so we can get back 50. And but when she get 50 million, 50 million, 50 million.
Well, I got to sign a contract. I'm
Yeah.
gonna change people, you know. When the
Yeah.
girl see 100 million in her account and she never said that yet, she go, oh, and my account is in and me and Shanika own.
Yeah,
Me not get her now.
all I'm going to
Change your number, so. Hey people, hey.
But yeah,
It depends. It depends on the friend.
one agreement of
Yeah, we
one
have to sign contract. You have to give me.
50.
She have to give me at least 15. At least me no worse off.
No, 50. you would not get the 100.
Yeah.
So you don't have to give her.
Yes.
So if I want to agreement, then a 50-50.
Me
Me
would have said to the friend, when we get 100 million, me lose 15 mil. So you within your conscience just know say, you know, have to give me only 15, but no say you have to give me minimum 15.
But the way you tell them, you know, so if you tell them 15.
No, as my friend, you have to know say, why? $85 million I still have enough.
No,
you can give me 20.
Me, I tell you I want 50.
Yes.
Would you rather drink from the toilet
Mr. Box cigarette.
or pee in a litter box? Look at cat.
Box.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out.
Affect me.
Me don't need to pee in a toilet. Me pee a bush. Now you don't have to give me a little toilet. Me pee on the roadside. Me? Go there? Just so we can pee in a litter box?
Wait, clean litter box?
It no matter. Me, a mask time now. You wear a mask and you sit down. You catch your mask, you know, you have to sit down. You know, just like when you use public bathroom.
You know,
and you cock up.
Because they were using underwear and
Would you rather always have body odor and not know, or always smell body odor on everyone?
smell body odor upon everybody.
Off too. Hey, no worse than when you stink and you know you know. Alright, look on this. When your mouth stink and you know you're not talk nothing. But when you think your mouth fresh, you talk up in people's face, you go, hi, how are you? So when me and my mouth stink and the people go, I'm fine. No, I'd rather smell you.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you, John, go bed now. Go bed, John. John, you know, say you're not fresh right now.
Make me have the nose.
I don't want you have to say about me, say, what Chantal have ever breathed? You ever
I should never know.
and she wear use underwear too now.
I'm not peeping.
And a pee in a little box. Me? No.
Alright, the last one. Would you rather have someone vomit on you or you vomit on someone?
No, I don't want nobody vomit for me.
Me don't vomit for anybody right now. Anybody.
But you know some people like that vomit somebody, but not on me.
Listen, me vomit for anybody. Listen, I see a road and then them vomit for you and vomiting. But if you
But
ever
them,
vomit,
but them pay you.
yeah, if you ever vomit for me,
It never.
first of all, if you vomit for me, I'll vomit back on you. My stomach will go sick instantly.
Especially if them just don't eat something like
No! And yes, the particles. Me have vomit for you, sir. Sorry, miss. Me them don't even have to pay me. Me do it for free. As long as I know you have vomit for me, I don't care.
Yeah, me vomit for somebody.
Yeah, man. Let us know what you would do in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. You like the video? Which
You like the video?
you like the video?
You know you like it.
Like the video and done.
Yeah.
And if you guys chose a different answer than any of us in the would you rather questions, let us know in the comments and your justification for it, because especially the toothbrush and the panty one, that me one. Alright guys, we already told you to like this video. If you are not subscribed, subscribe now. If you guys want to see Shanika in more videos, let me know.
Do you?
You're an emoji. Give me my emoji to drop.
Put a cupcake emoji in the description, in the comments, if you want to see Shanika in more videos. Girl nice like rice dog. Nice. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.